Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'll show you how to change two texture from the left or right. Okay, so for this cabinet, for all other cabinets is also the same. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first is we need to change the panel. So press B. Okay, press B. Select the panel. We choose this one started here. Okay, there's one called two color board. Okay, so is it vertical or is it horizontal? Okay, depending on which you choose. Okay, so let's say I use this one, two panel. Okay, this is for the left, this is for the right, so I use the right one first. Okay, once you change already, okay, you can press escape button and select, press B, select. Yeah, as you can see here, front color, you choose the color you want. Example this. Okay, so this is front, but the back here haven't changed, correct or not? So now we choose a reverse for the back. Oops, okay, so this is actually should be left. Oh yeah, because this is left with right. Okay, so as you can see here, it changed already. Okay, so if you want a thin edge, okay, you change. Okay, as you can see up here, it already changed. Okay, so what about here? You just change from here. Okay, this one not much too different, so I choose another color. Okay, I use paint color. Okay, as you can see, it's like that. Okay, so for the top also same. So you must choose a tile. Okay, two color roof. Okay, same thing when you select the top. Okay, see, change already, right? So the bottom. Okay, as you can see, it changed. Okay, the edge, if you need to change. Okay, as you can see, because it's inside the both side. Okay, so change this one. Okay, so that's all for this video. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.